Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to convert images to PDF on Windows for free in 2026. So if you want to turn photos, screenshots, or scan documents into a PDF file, yeah, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open the folder containing your images and select the files you want to convert. You can choose one image or multiple images together. Next, right-click the selected images and choose Print. So Windows includes a built-in PDF creation feature. Now select Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer. This saves your images as a PDF instead of printing them on paper. So yeah, choose the paper size and layout you want. This helps your images fit properly inside the PDF. Next, click Print and choose where to save the PDF. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Finally, open the new PDF file and check that all images appear correctly. So make sure the pages are in the right order. And that's how to convert images to PDF on Windows for free in 2026. Once you use Microsoft Print to PDF, creating PDFs from photos becomes super quick and easy. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF and Windows tutorials.